Okay, welcome. Welcome to 46 Family Anchor channel. On this channel, today we are going to look at we look things in a broad-based way because we are handling the family matters, family issues, the society issues, the angering subjects. So what we are trying to say is, before we move further, we need to understand what is really the family is. What is really, how do you know, how do you identify the family? I think the family, we need to identify the family in some categories or in some how the families are structured. Because you might not start angering the family if you don't know which type or which structure, which category of family are you angering. We have families. These are very beautiful, nice, so appealing thing that anyone is willing or wishing to have. So we shall not go further without not having the concept, the family, what it means. The family is a social unity in the society. Family is a social unity in the society. And as we may think in a broad way, in a simple way that the people can understand, family is related with blood or marriage. So family is defined as people who are related with blood or marriage. But in a modern way of understanding, people how they understand family today, family is understood, or family is known, family is defined, family is referred, family is reviewed as the long-term emotional commitment shared. So it is a long-term shared emotional commitment or legal ties or common households. Do you understand? Is defined as the people who are sharing the long-term emotional commitment, being the legal tie or the common household. The legal tie may be marriage. Maybe we have something that we are doing together in a civic way. Common household. Maybe we are staying in the same room. We are sharing certain things, meals, budgeting together, doing together. This is the family. You might be a adopted son, adopted child, but because we have shared the emotions, we are staying together. Maybe we are married together. We become the family. It is not only by blood. Okay? So, but when you have someone who is not of your descent, but came in or adopted, but when you stay with him or her for a long time, becomes a member of the family. When you share with someone in the same room, the same society, you share things together, you plan together, this person become a member of the family and they become also a family member. And the way we look at families, the family acts or it serves as a school, as a first school No one in this world can navigate this world without having the society giving education. The society, the family, is the first school we must have. It serves as a first school. It gives the emotional support, financial security. It gives socialization on how people do navigate, how people do adopt, how people should operate to stay with other people in the world. So society is very crucial when we have a very good family. Okay? When we have a very good family. But how can we know this family? How can we identify? How can we categorize these families? Because we have family like the nuclear family, we have extended family, we have the grandparents family, we have the single family, we have the blended or step family. Blended or step family. We have the same sex family. This is the new type of family. So if you know all this type of family, the types of families, there you will have to have knowledge how you can anchor a family. Okay? So family, the way we identify, the way we categorize, the way we structure the families, they are almost into three. Into three. So the whos, the where are. How do we track the family, the powers and authority decisions, where they lie? Who are they? The descent of the family. Who? The descents. We identify the family by power and decision making. We track how the power and decisions are tracked in the family. Then the residents. Where are they staying? Is it on the side of the parent of the father's side or the mother's side? That's how we identify families. And the families, according to the ancient Greek, they said that families are identified by the whos, descent, and identified by residence. The whos, the descent, and the residence. So we shall look at things like authority. Who holds authority? In ancient times, it was man who held the more powers. And this type of family, it was regarded as the patriarchal. The patriarchal is the father who decides. So when you are in the family and the father holds more powers than the mother or than other people, that one in the ancient Greek we called the patriarchal family. And this is still existing up to now. Then we have the matriarchal type of family. The matriarchal type of family is where the power lies in the female, in the mother's side, the mother's decision. The mother is the one who say. The mother is the final. The mother is the final. So we have another type of family that we can refer to being the egalitarian. There are some families that have the egalitarian type of family. How powers are shared, and this power are shared equally between the two people, between the mother and the father. The powers are shared. Decisions are made by two people, the equals. And this is now, it is almost adopted in the modern society now. So the residents, how we identify the family by residents? Where do they stay? When the new couple stay in the side of the male side, this family is patrilocal. We stay at the father's side, and this is mostly practiced in Africa. You marry a woman, you bring her to your home, you stay maybe near your parents. This is patrilocal. We have matrilocal. Matrilocal is where you marry, then you stay at the side of the wife, the side of the female, side of the woman, the matrilocal. Then we have the neolocal. Neolocal is where you stay, you move. Neolocal type of family is where the new couple move from this one, from the side of the wife come, they meet together, they go and have a new residence, a new place to stay, to form their family. So despite all these categories of families, but the key functions of these families remain the same, remain almost the same. And the key factors of all these families, when you have a family, being a single family, being a nuclear family extended, being the same family, being the blended family, being the grandparenting family, the most key factors here, the key functioning factors, we have the emotional supporting factor. We must have the emotional supporting factor. How do you support? Are you involved in other people's emotions? Are you trying to encourage other people to be well during the time of ups and downs? So we need to see that, how are other people feeling? Are you trying to involve in other people's feelings, types of troubles? Are you assisting each other? That's a key factor, the function of the family, the emotional support. Financial security. Are you supporting your family financially? Are people going to school? Are having medical? Are having shelter? Are you responsible for that or not? Socialization. You need to teach your family the norms, the values, and the culture of the family, of the society. You need to teach your children your culture. If you are the Mukisu, tell your family, in our culture, how we stay. How do we stay? How do we behave? How do we behave? The imbalu, that is circumcision, is the most key factor in our culture. How do we take marriage? How do we settle issues during the land disputes? Teach your children how to behave such that they can navigate the world well. reproduction. Advise your people to marry and have children. That's a role of a family. That's a functioning factor of a family. So, viewers, my friends, 46 Family Anchor channel has good for you. You will not be the same when you join this family to move together. And I will wish you the best as we go on. I'll wish you the best as we move on. The best is still coming. The best is still coming. Wish you all the best.